Is this thing on? Hi guys. Where have y'all been? Where have y'all been at? Where have y'all been at? Huh? I don't even remember the last time I picked up this camera and pressed record. Like, it's been a minute. It's been a good little minute. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. It feels crazy saying that because I have not picked up this camera in Lord knows when. I don't know when the last time I picked up this camera, but nonetheless, good morning, guys. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is Friday, May 23rd, which means it's your girl's 28th birthday. Woo! Y'all, 28 is crazy. 28 is crazy. It's 28 is too close to 30, and I don't know if I like that. In my mind, I'm still in high school. In my mind, I'm still at Morgan State. Like, I don't know. I'm still back in college. 28 is a little bit too grown for me. But nonetheless, I'm 28. I'm grateful that my father has given me another year to live on this beautiful earth. Y'all, 28 is crazy. 28 is absolutely crazy. Anyway, guys, so this weekend we're finna be diddly-daddling. Nothing too special this weekend. We're not doing anything. I am going out to eat with my family later, but other than that, I don't know. Wherever God decides to take me, okay? Wherever God decides to take me. So, let's go. First stop is we are about to go to the supermarket because, yeah, just because it's your birthday don't mean that you neglect your responsibilities. Clock that T. But yes, we are about to go to the supermarket, y'all. I got my lemon and cucumber water. I've been drinking a cup of this every morning because it helps. I feel it. It helps with digestion. And also, I see a little improvement with my skin. So, but anyway, y'all, let's go. Let's go dilly-daddle together this whole entire weekend. I am back in the house, so let me show you guys what I picked up today. The only stores I went to was Ulta, TJ Maxx, and I also went to Nordstrom Rack. So let me show y'all what I got from Ulta first. So I got this Juvia's Place blush. It is such a pretty color. I am not a blush girl at all. I really don't wear blush, but I've been seeing it a lot lately on the TikTok. And the girls be really like, they be looking really good with the blush. So I just decided to get some. That is such a pretty color. Look at that. Tell me that is not gorgeous. And I tried it on in the store. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. I'm gonna wear this actually today. And then I got these two e.l.f. lip balms. The first one is Honeydew And the other one is vanilla frosting. Then I went into TJ Maxx. From TJ Maxx, I got this shirt. I thought it was pretty nice. It has like a, what would you call this? It's like a wing at the back of it. What would you call this type of shirt with the little wing in the back? I don't know. Anyway, it was on sale for $13, so that's always a plus. I also went to Old Navy and I got a set. So I got this skirt set. It's a skirt actually. It has the shorts underneath. I tried it on. And then I also got the shirt that go with it. It's like a like tennis, like a tennis set. Like you see how they wear like the skirt and then the top and tennis, yeah. And then lastly, I think I showed it on the camera, but lastly I just got these shoes from Nordstrom Rack. They're just some black kitten heel shoe. Look at the little kitten heel. I don't have a black shoe like this, so I just decided to pick one up. It was between this one and there was another one that I saw as well, but I decided to go with this one because of just the detailing, and they were a little more comfortable than the other shoe. So that is everything that I got today from the store. Now I'm about to curl my hair and I'm about to put on a little tiny bit of makeup. Y'all, look at that. Can y'all see it? It is so pretty. This blush is so pretty. Prince of Peace, your name is great and greatly to be praised. Your name is great and greatly to be praised. It'll cover me from now until the day I see my King. This feels like a new thing, Holy Spirit moving. Running up to all that's holy and pure. I never wanna go back. I never wanna do you my provider, baby. I will be content in every circumstance. You are Jireh. You are. Look at the roadhouse. We gonna Texas Roadhouse. Yeah. We're here, guys. Ben, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to the camera. He like, get out my face, please.
Ms.Queendon? Right.
You better roll. You better roll. Hey. Who told Gracie's phone to hit like this though? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Y'all, how are you guys doing today? Oh, let me pause. How are you guys doing today? I'm feeling really great. Last night was cool. We went out to Texas Roadhouse. Me and my family, we went to Texas Roadhouse. We had dinner, and then the kids came over for a little bit, and then I went to sleep. So last night was okay. Last night was cool. It wasn't too bad. Right now, I just finished getting my nails fixed. The girl who does my nails just fixed them for me because they were they messed up a little bit. So she fixed them, and now they are back to perfection. So cute. I love how she does my nails. I'm just so grateful that I found her. Oh my gosh. You know how hard it is to find a good nail person and a good hair person? Y'all, it is so hard because I don't want to keep going from person to person to person to person. So she is the only person right now that does my nails, and I go in between like 2 to 3 people for my hair, okay? And I couldn't ask for anything better. It's absolutely perfect. But anyway, guys, I'm about to get some breakfast. I'm at Expectation. Yeah, y'all, so I'm at Expectation right now. I never been here, but I have heard about it before, so I do want to try it. I was looking at the menu earlier to see what on there I would like to have, but I don't know. I just gotta go in and get a feel for it, because looking on a website is just not doing it for me. Y'all, it's early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It is literally 8 o'clock in the morning. This Expectation place didn't open up. They opened up at 7, so it's been an hour since they opened up. So things should be good, right? Things should be good. Okay, y'all, let's go. Hold on, y'all. Lock these doors. Breakfast was good. Oh my goodness. When I tell you that waffle was the best waffle I have ever had, believe my words when I say that. That waffle was the best waffle that I have ever had. My God. Whoever made that waffle, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. So I didn't really eat all of my food. I still got like half of a waffle left and like 2 chicken tenders. So I'll eat that later. So now, y'all, what we about to do? It's still early. It's only 9:30. It's only 9:30, so we are about to hit up a store. We about to go to a store. Ooh, guys, there's a Marshalls. There's a Marshall's nearby. It's only 6 minutes away. So maybe we should go to Marshall's. Because, oh, and it's a Burlington and a Marshall's. Okay, period. We're going to Marshall's. Yeah, because I need to find a blouse for tomorrow. I want to go to church tomorrow, so I need to find a blouse. Okay, guys, we about to go to Marshall's, so I will see y'all when I get to Marshall's. Okay, y'all, the goods are secured. We are out of Marshall's. Finally, we're out of Marshall's. It's 11:04. So, I think that's enough dilly-daddling. Even though I only went one place, well, 2 places, but that's enough dilly-daddling for today because I done overspent, okay? I went a little over my budget. But y'all, let me show y'all this real quick. Hold on. Where is it? You guys, let me show y'all this perfume that I got. This right here, when I tell y'all, this perfume smells delicious. Like, it's a vanilla scent. I love vanilla scents, but this right here, oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it was $16.99. Only $16.99. Well, $17. But anyway, y'all, I am about to go home now because my son, aka my fur baby, he is waiting for me, okay? Like, he is waiting for me to come home. So I am about to go on and head on home. So I'm about to head home and do that and just chill for a little bit. I am going to my sister's today. I'm going to my sister's house to spend time with my family. I love all of them. Hi guys. I don't know where I left this vlog off at, but I'm at my sister's house. So yeah, we about to eat some crabs and some food and just chill, okay? So come on guys, let's go. They look so delicious. Part about to come. Hold on, back up a little bit, okay. Be exalted now in the heavens as your glory fills this place. You alone deserve my praise. You're the name above all names. You alone deserve my praise. You're the name above all names. Be exalted now in the heavens as your glory.
So you guys should really subscribe to my auntie's YouTube channel, and let's see, she should get to 30 subscribers. Okay. This is the mess that happened while we were eating crabs. Oh yeah, we had some corn and some shrimp. Cause you can see the shrimp shells. So don't forget, I told y'all that my auntie needs to get to at least 30 subscribers or more. Probably like at least 50.
Good morning, guys. It is a new day. Yeah, let's set y'all down. It is a brand new day, and today is Sunday, which means that we are on our way to church. I'm so excited for church. Anyway, before we do that, let's make our coffee. Okay. You know, can never get this thing open, but we got it. Pour that right on in there. Put that right on top. We have our coffee. I feel like I would like it better with ice. Look at how pretty she looks, guys. She dressed herself today. You look so pretty.
All by myself, no help.
All by herself, no help. Y'all heard her. And then look at Jasmine. She looks pretty too. Okay, period, period, period. And she has on heels, guys. Excuse me, who are you? I'm her. And then my sister. She looks pretty too.
Oh yeah.
I can't tell you how amazing it is when you get open and honest with Jesus. Some of us need to get open and honest with Jesus. Number one, some of us need to be open and honest with Jesus and saying, Jesus, I'm not following you. I need you. I have sin that I'm ashamed of, and I'm tired of living in shame. I'm tired of living this life with no purpose. But I hear that you offer forgiveness in your life. And I want that. Some of you got to get open and honest with Jesus. Some of you got to get open and honest with Jesus about your time being in His Word. And just saying, God, I'm having a hard time with it. But I'm ready for new revelations to come my way. And I'm opening up my heart because I don't want my heart to be closed off to your Word. I just want it to be open.
You've been faithful to me. You've been so faithful. Y'all, church was good. As y'all can see, I done went home and changed my clothes and everything. So now I'm about to go fishing. I never been fishing before, so I am low-key excited for that. My brother-in-law is going fishing. He goes fishing all the time, and I told him that I wanted to learn how to fish. So that's what we're about to go and do. Period. Period. Okay, get into it. Yeah. Okay, model. Yes, pose, pose, pose. I'm vlogging.
Come here, take one more, take one more.
Oh my goodness.
Go ahead. Okay, and pose. Okay, next pose.
Are you done with that picture?
Next pose. Okay, period. Next pose.
Did you take it? Okay.
Okay, girl. Get him, girl.
explosive thing.
It's always alive.
Yeah.
They don't bite, do they?
No.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. I just feel like I'm gonna squish it.
What? You gonna catch me?
Y'all, she just wanted to show y'all. Yes, come on. Ready? Ow. I was praying that you wouldn't hurt my feet.
Should I go faster?